Have you ever experienced any inconsistencies in your welding arc? Sometimes fluctuating or dirty input power can cause these inconsistencies. Miller welding machines with the AutoLine feature help solve this problem. AutoLine technology automatically senses the input power, whether it's single phase or three phase, and sets the machine internally all by itself. No need to hook up or change links inside the machine. This reduces the chance of hooking the machine up improperly. AutoLine also compensates for fluctuating or dirty input power. It makes sure the output of the machine is perfectly smooth. This maximizes portability if you're moving the machine from one location to the other, especially if you don't know the exact power that's being applied to the machine. The wide input voltage window that AutoLine senses allows the machine to hook up to any voltage from 190 volts to over 600 volts. Also, on select products, AutoLine will sense voltages all the way down to 100 volts.